Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that TOES token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your only search for the investing. According to the website, TOESCOIN is a community-driven meme coin pulled on the Solana blockchain, distinguishing itself with a humorous, classy, authentic centered around the concept of perfectly predicted TOES. TOES a cultural meme coin. It positions itself as a humorous alternative within the Solana meme coin landscape, embracing a niche, light-hearted theme. Simple Solana token. The token has no transaction taxes or dedicated team wallets, emphasizing a straightforward community-owned structure. Community-fueled asset. Its value and identity are primarily driven by its holder community and social media presence. TOES token total supply is 999.94 million and circulating supply is also 999.94 million TOESCOIN. TOESCOIN listed on PumpSwap and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. We are only search for the investing. Thanks for watching.